I'm currently moving my affiliating course and building a community out in a free tool. It is comparable to Skool at $99 a month. Also, it has, and it's going to replace my GetResponse account, which has an extremely confusing pricing matrix that when you try to figure out what it is you're paying for, and really most of this is you're paying for the contacts that you put because it's an email autoresponder that you're going to be sending out emails to. Now, Skool doesn't do anything other than give you a place to host a community and build out a course. Now, I do agree that it has a very simplistic pricing structure as well as a low transaction fee of 2.9% compared to something like Stripe or Gumroad. But look at this. Inside of, and this is System.io or SIO or System, there's a link in the description. You can check it out where I simplify it and show you how you can actually use this to make money. This is a freemium account. It is a freemium account because, yes, it is free. It costs $0, and I have yet to upgrade. And currently, right now, I am showing people inside of my brand new 2025 affiliating profitable online business 9-step roadmap, where I teach people my proven top strategy of traffic to an offer and add people on an email list by simply picking a topic and creating consistent content here on YouTube, allowing you to essentially build an email list, which you can build using System.io and start for free to build a profitable online business. There's a link in the description. And right now, like I said, I'm currently building out my brand new course, and I've paid nothing for this. It is absolutely free. And I have people going through this course, and I'm creating these lectures, and I'm uploading files, and I'm letting people know the key takeaways to the training inside of my course, and I'm doing it for free. It also has a link to a community right here. Then here I have a community, and I'm going to tell you right now, I'm a member of a few Skool groups or communities, and this is just as comparable to what experience or the experience that I get when I log into Skool, and I'm doing this for free. I'm creating this community for free. And like I said, it is a freemium account, meaning eventually, if you want more sales funnels, if you want more than one blog, if you want to add more than one course, if you need more workflows, then you will need to upgrade. But the unlimited plan is $97 a month, which includes everything that you see here on this list and more things actually that are being added all the time to, again, System.io, link in the description, absolutely 100% for free. And again, you can see right here, I am putting my course together right now for free, utilizing System.io. Also have a community, link in the description. Check out System.io. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Also, I'll be making more videos here showing you actually how to use this tool so you can see exactly where to click, why to click, and how to get everything set up. Link in the description to check out System.io for free. Again, I don't know why everyone's not using this tool in 2025. Thanks for checking this out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.